guys, my name is Samriti Tripathi and I am studying class 5th. And today in this video I will tell you about a disease that is a lung infection. That disease name is pneumonia. Nowadays pneumonia is becoming a common disease. It starts from the childhood and it comes from the adults. So this common disease can come from any person, if it is small, if it is big, or it is old. So first I will tell you the system of the pneumonia. First we take the air from our nose. It go to the nasal cavity and it go through the windpipe. Here is located the windpipe. Windpipe is a tube that take the air to the lungs. So after the windpipe, lungs take the inside the lungs. There are bronchs. Bronchs are the shape of like they are the shape of like the branches of the trees. After the bronchi, there are bronchs. Bronchs are the small bronchs. Next, after the bronchs, the last part inside our lungs is the alveolus. In this infection, alveolus is full with a fluid. That fluid is full by the bacteria, viruses. So first I will tell you how that enter in our how that virus and bacteria enter to our nose. So first the air go to the enter. Sometimes muscle do not do the sticky items, so it let the germs and bacteria. Next, there are small hairs in the bronchi. That small hairs are curved. They do like this. They shake like this. So when sometimes virus and bacteria come into that also, and it go through the bronchi and then go to the alveolus. When it go to the alveolus, it go through the alveolus, and after some days it become a fluid. So when that fluid is full by our alveolus, then we cannot take in our breath. we have more cough. We also have chest pain. The symptoms of the pneumonia are chest pain, muscle pain, fever, body cooling, means sometimes your body get more cool, you have freeze, means your thoughts are like the freeze, you are freezing. So these was some symptoms of the pneumonia. So if you want to away from the pneumonia, then take a good doctor. What that doctor say, you take the correct medicines and always go to the vaccination, because it has a vaccination, and every 1 week after you should take an injection of the pneumonia. If you will do like that, then you can only in some weeks you will get healthy. And always eat healthy foods. In every video I have telling you that healthy foods are very important. You can make healthy dishes with fruits and vegetables, and you can also drink milk. You can make milkshake, you can make fresh juice, and you can do many more healthy things. So these was some tips how you should follow. If you will follow, then in some weeks your pneumonia will gone. So if please guys follow this. If you have pneumonia, then follow these tips. So bye and see you tomorrow.